When you think of a powerful burner, you probably think of a Blue Star or Pro Range at 25,000 BTUs. Or maybe you've seen what restaurants cook on, those big roaring flames. Or if I told you there's a cooktop you can buy that's actually way faster than even commercial gas. We tested it, and the results were shocking. We took two identical pans, filled them each with 1 gallon of water, and started them at the exact same time. One went on a 23,000 BTU professional gas burner, one of the hottest you can buy, although Blue Star technically goes a bit higher at 25,000. The other one went on SKS 36-inch induction cooktop, which is a 7,000 watt center burner, the most powerful you can buy. Typical induction burner is about 3,700 watts, so this one's about 70% hotter. The gas 23,000 BTU burner took about 13 minutes and 30 seconds to reach a boil. The induction, the SKS, full rolling boil in just 3 minutes and 30 seconds, 10 minutes faster than gas. We actually had to shut it off before it boiled over. The gas burner hit a nice rolling boil, wasn't going to spill over, which means if you're boiling 2 or 3 gallons, the time difference would be even greater. Now, why is induction so much faster? Although gas has nearly doubled in output over the last few years, it's still, by its very nature, loses about 40% of its heat to the air around the flame. Induction works differently. It doesn't heat the glass or the burner. It heats the pan directly by exciting the molecules in the pan. So it's less waste, more control, and a whole lot more speed, especially on this particular cooktop. If you're looking for the fastest cooking product you could put in your kitchen, this is it. The SKS 7,000 watt induction cooktop didn't just beat gas, it beat one of the highest output pro gas burners we could find, and it did it by 10 full minutes. And it's 70% faster than the average induction cooktop. But it's also 70% more expensive at $4,499. But if speed matters to you, where you cook pasta or sauce for a whole lot of people, nothing else is close. We demo induction 5 days a week in our showrooms, and if you're comparing brands, we have 6 other manufacturers on display. So you can test them side by side, see what feels right in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see more side-by-side tests like this, we got a fun one coming soon. We're testing ice cubes next.